Good, thank you, Sam. I'm just going live to YouTube and I'll probably have to ask you to renew that. I mean, to give me that list again in just a moment.
Mr. Glenn?
Yes, ma'am. I've been trying. I just can't get in there or something. I paid my
Mr.
ticket.
Glenn, this is Judge speaking again. Just remain quiet, okay? Stand by, sir. We'll get you in just a moment, okay? Please remain quiet, Mr. Glenn.
Please, okay.
Thank you, Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn,
Yes, ma'am.
just be
Yes,
quiet.
ma'am.
We've got you. Please be quiet. We've got you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Bachman, thank you, sir. Let's start from the top. Which cases are we calling, sir?
Alicia Townsend, please, Your Honor.
Okay, stand by. We're going to call it. Okay, everybody, please put your devices on mute. Everyone, please put your devices on mute. Stand by. I'm sorry, Mr. Bachman, who are we calling again?
Brittany
Bachman?
Thomas, are you ready?
Stand by.
Brittany Thomas?
Okay, we're on the record, case number 203-979-291, People State Michigan versus Britley Kalea Thomas. This is arraignment on the bench. We're on court with the full reading. Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Enter how we proceeding, Mr. Bachman, your appearance and P number.
Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Thomas, unmute your microphone. State your name for the record, please. Ms. Thomas.
Ms. Thomas? Ms. Thomas?
Yes,
Brittany Thomas? No, Ms. Townsend, please mute your device. Ms. Townsend, please mute your device. Brittany Thomas, unmute your device. Brittany Thomas, unmute your device.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Thomas, if you're eating, there's no eating or drinking on when you're in court, ma'am. You need to be ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Bachman, how are we proceeding, sir?
Your Honor, we ask that the defendant's pleading not guilty. We ask that the matter be set for a waiver trial by way of Zoom, please, and thank you.
So noted. Court will enter that not guilty plea and set this for a bench trial. Okay, Ms. Thomas, so in the future, ma'am, you need to make sure you're in a space where it's going to be quiet, okay? You can't have all that background noise next time. Do you understand?
I understand, ma'am. I just had some my new phone got water damage and I just replaced it for this court date and the one I got on the 26th.
Stand by. We're going to set a new date, ma'am. Your next court date is going to be November 23. Please make note of November 23.
Ma'am, I can't. Ma'am, I thought we was gonna get. I already got it. I'm trying to get off of probation. I can't keep dealing with this.
Ms. Thomas, please understand, Mr. Bachman just indicated that you want to challenge this ticket. The next court date will be in November 23. So if you want to challenge this ticket, I mean, if you want to fight the ticket, that's what we're going to be doing. Mr. Bachman, do you need to have a conversation with Ms. Thomas again about what she wants to do? Why we got to fight the ticket out? Mr. Bachman? Stand by, Ms. Thomas. Mr. Bachman, let me ask you this. We can have her go back into the breakout room so you and she can have a conversation because the court was under the impression that we were setting a date for this. So if she wants a resolution, then perhaps there's an opportunity to have a conversation with Ms. Thomas.
Can we get it dismissed?
Ms. Thomas, the short answer is no, that's not happening today. Do you understand? That is not happening today. So Ms. Thomas, if you want to speak to Mr. Bachman about resolving the case, then you can speak with him today. If you want to fight the ticket, or if you think you should never have gotten the ticket, then the next step is to set a trial date. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, I understand. Yes, but I just really thought this case should have been dismissed.
Ms. Thomas, no. Here's the thing.
Okay, yeah, okay, all right. No, just give me the date, and I'm all. Yeah, give me the date.
Thomas, please listen. The next court date is November 23, November 23 at 8:35 a.m. Zoom courtroom 437. Do you copy that?
You say at 8:35?
8:35, yes.
8:30. You say 8:30 or 8:35?
8:35.
And this is at 36th District.
It will be by Zoom. So ma'am, your trial date will be by Zoom. So you can dial in by Zoom, same as you did today. Do you understand? Ms. Thomas,
Yes.
you will be dialing in by
Yes.
Zoom. I repeat, you will be dialing in by Zoom. Do you understand?
All right. Well, I'm gonna get the information from 36th District.
Yes, you can go to
Well,
the
you know,
court's
I'm just.
website, ma'am.
All right.
Very good. Thank you, ma'am. We are concluded.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Your Honor, can Mr. Buffman and I go to a breakout room?
Yes, sir.
real
Go
quick?
right. Oh, well, hang on. We've got a couple people in the room.
Oh, you do?
Mr.
Oh, I'm
Buckman,
sorry.
What are we doing for Ms. Townsend? And who's this individual on 9098?
Miss,
Mr. Glenn?
yes, that is Mr. Glenn.
Okay, what are we doing for Ms. Townsend?
Not guilty, asked for a pretrial.
Okay, stand by. We're gonna call the Townsend case. This is for Alicia Townsend.
Yes.
Okay, stand by, recording the case. Case number SP 123-82082. Also count 1 and count 3 on that ticket. People say Michigan versus Alicia Townsend. Daytime set for pretrial and hearing counsel.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Townsend, can you state your name for the record?
Alicia Townsend.
Thank you. We want, Your Honor, an adjourned pretrial for the purpose of returning in compliance, please, and thank you.
Okay, very good. Court will continue the not guilty plea. We'll set a new date for November 23, 2022 at 8:35 a.m. Zoom courtroom 437. Anything further?
Nothing. Thank you, Your
Okay,
Honor.
Ms. Townsend, you're all set. Thank you very much. Good luck. We'll see you then, okay?
Thank you so
ma'am.
much. Have a good day.
You too. Okay, next. Ms.
Ready on Tanaya Tubbs, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. We'll call the Tubbs case. Stand by. Okay, calling case number SP 12744-302. And also count 1 on the ticket. People say Michigan versus Tanaya Tubbs. State time set for pretrial and hearing counsel.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Tanaya Tubbs.
Thank you, Ms. Tubbs. Good morning, Your Honor. We are asking that the matter be set for a bench trial by way of Zoom. My client is aware of her right to a jury trial. She's going to waive that here today.
Okay, very good. Call will continue that not guilty plea. We'll set this matter for a bench trial, which will take place on, oh dear, I lost my date sheet. Oh, there we go. November 23. Please make note of November 23, 2022 at 8:35 a.m. Zoom courtroom 437. Okay, Ms. Tubbs, also one other thing we're going to leave you with before we let you go for the day is information off our frequently asked questions page. I'm going to direct your attention toward the bottom of the screen, starting with the section highlighted in green at 36districtcourt.org. That is the court's website. You can go there and use that as a research tool, and you can sign up to receive text reminders directly to your mobile device, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that concludes your matter for today. Do you have any questions about what we covered today?
I didn't hear the time. I heard 11:23.
8:35 a.m., 8:35 a.m. Zoom courtroom 437.
Okay, thank you so much.
Very good. Thank you. All right, thank you. Okay, you're welcome. You can disconnect. Thank you, ma'am.
Why still here? Glenn. Mr. Glenn's still here.
Yes, Mr. Glenn, we understand, sir. Please stand by. We're waiting for you to get you in touch with Mr. Baughman. Stand by, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
I
sir.
won't say nothing else. I won't say nothing else.
Mr. Sanford, I'm coming back with Mr. Person's file.
Okay, thank you. Also, Mr. Baughman, I think Mr. Glenn is still waiting to speak with you.
Okay,
So just once we take care of Mr. Person, it appears that when you guys are in the breakout room, there's difficulty, he's having audio issues. So if
Yeah.
anything, what we can do is I can step away and then perhaps I can come off YouTube and you guys can have the main session.
thank you.
So
Your
you guys can have a conversation. Okay, stand by. Let's take care of Mr. Person. Mr. Person, what are we doing for Mr. Person, Mr. Baughman?
We need a next action date. He's gonna return in compliance, Your Honor. We just need some time.
Okay, about how much time are we talking ish? Like next
I would
pretrial
ask
date
for
or-
the next pretrial date in 6 weeks, please.
Okay, stand by. And that's for Mr. Person. Stand by. We'll call Mr. Person. Okay, we're on the record. Case number SP 12293-643 and also count 1. Strike that. Strike that. I'm sorry, SP 1228586 counts 1 and 2, People's Admission versus Devon Persons off the show cause docket. Go set aside the warrants, not guilty plea on your client's behalf. And counsel, you indicated that we're looking to adjourn this matter or set a pretrial date. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, please. In about 6 weeks, my client's going to return in compliance.
Okay, great. We're going to set this then for a pretrial, which will be November 23. Please make note of November 23, sir, 2022 at 8:35 a.m. Zoom courtroom 437. Also, sir, one thing that we're going to leave you with, we'll let you go for the day, is some information so you've got some resources going forward. I'm going to share a screen with you. If you haven't already seen this, this is a great time to grab a screenshot so that you have this available for your records. What we're going to do is direct your attention toward the bottom 3 lines at the bottom of the screen, starting with the section highlighted in green at 36districtcourt.org. That is the court's website. You can go there and set it up to receive text reminders directly to your mobile device, and you can use the court's website as a research tool so that you can look up anything out of 36th District Court. And then finally, the last line at the bottom of the screen is michigan.gov/SLS. That's the Secretary of State's website. You can go there and set up an account for yourself so that you can look at your overall driving record. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, that concludes your matter for today. Do you have any questions about what we covered today, Mr. Person?
No.
Okay, very good. You're all set, sir. Good luck. We'll see you then.